On your ear like that, and then you can listen to people's heart. You put it on their heart and you can hear it. Ollie, come here. Ollie, look.
Ale,
Come
è
up
per
here,
te.
present. Here.
You have something wrong?
Mhm.
Well, what you have?
Ho paura.
What's that?
Mi fa male il piede. Qua.
Good.
Mama,
Mhm.
what do I need?
What do you mean?
What of these do I need?
All of them, because you're a doctor. You need to put your glasses on first, so you look smart like a doctor. Oh, a fire truck! And a
I
helicopter!
need to take that out.
Wow!
Buon compleanno, pistola. 2 anni.
Ale, look, helicopter. He's looking at the
Yeah.
wrapping paper. Here, Ale.
Sì, così, Ste, mettili su.
Helicopter!
Bravo.
Here.
Ma che bello che sei. Oh, il dottore. Il dottor Stefan.
Ale, wow! And then this little guy can
Poi
sit
questo,
inside.
per sentire il cuore. Mi sa. No, o per... non lo so. Questo lo dai qua alle ginocchia. Tac, 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 tac.
Oh, this is to look at your heart. This one.
Sì, per il cuore, è vero.
Wow.
Quello lì.
Is your heart okay?
Non lo so. Controlla, controlla.
Maybe I need to check.
Dai. Come fa? Fa tu
Very
tu tu
good.
tu 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 tu.
You need
Oh,
to sleep
there's more.
for 2 days.
Ok, va bene.
And then you will feel better.
Inizio adesso? Inizio a dormire adesso? Vado su a dormire 2 giorni
2
adesso?
days.
Ok,
Dad has to sleep for 2 days.
There's
ok.
another guy. This guy sits in the fire truck like this. See, he goes hands up, hand up, and he sits there like this.
You need to sleep for 2 days.
Ok. Pistola. Sei un pistola. Wow, Ale, ma che bello l'elicottero.
Let me see the temperature.
Look.